Hi, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom words to the Excel dictionary. This is really useful if you have names, brands, or other non-standard words that Excel keeps flagging as spelling mistakes. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. If I go up to Review, Spelling, Excel flags some of these words as errors, but they're actually correct for our spreadsheet. For example, album titles or band names may be spelled differently than usual. Rather than correcting each word individually during spell check, it's easier to add all your non-standard words at once. Go to File, Options, Custom Dictionaries. Select the dictionary you want to use. I'll select this one here, and click Edit Word List. Now a dialog box opens where you can add all the words you want. Excel to recognize as correct. Start by typing the first word. For example, traveller, spelled differently than usual. Press Add. Next, I'll add jelly rocks. Press Enter. Now Excel considers this a valid word. I'll also add synthpop best music ever. Typically, synthpop has a hyphen, but many fans leave it out. Press Enter, and it's now accepted as correct. You can continue adding other words as needed. If you change your mind, you can delete individual entries or delete all. Once you're happy, click OK, then OK again to return to your spreadsheet. Now, when you do review, spelling, all the words you added are recognized as legitimate. Any new words you missed during the initial setup can also be added individually by clicking Add to Dictionary. Important note: the words you add to Excel's custom dictionary are considered valid across all workbooks on your computer. They will also be recognized in other Microsoft products, like Word and PowerPoint. This is usually helpful, but it's worth being aware of. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video.